Hey guys, day 6, April 7th. This is your agenda video for the day, everything you need to do for the day for science. Make sure you guys are getting outside. I know I'm outside today. It's super duper nice out. And get some fresh air. I know it's a little bit tough with us being quarantined and everything, but staying inside is not always a great thing. Make sure you're getting outside, get some fresh air, go for a walk, go for a bike ride. Practice social distancing. You're not going out to hang out with your friends, but just get outside a little bit, all right? I know it helps me. So today, what we're going to do, all right, day 6, all right, there's going to be a PowerPoint for your notebook for today. We're going to go over angiosperm reproduction on page 85 or 95, sorry, gymnosperm reproduction on page 97. We want you to watch this angiosperm reproduction video with the Amoeba sisters and angiosperm reproduction mini assessment. Okay, that's in your notebook, as well as we want you to do it via Google Classroom as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you where everything is, just like I do for all of your agenda videos. Hopefully you are watching them. So this is your classwork tab. Okay, your agenda videos are posted every day. Make sure you guys are doing, there's a couple of you that you need to make sure you're handing in this asexual sexual reproduction poster project that we handed out before we left school on the 16th. That needs to be handed in. I only have 1 or 2. If you handed it in with your work at the school, that's fine. If not, I need that handed in ASAP. Okay. Remember your plant project that I went over on the PowerPoint. That needs to be, you need to start doing that. Okay. Don't get behind on making that project. That project's pretty cool. All right. Talking about the different parts of the flower anatomy. All right, so PowerPoint pages are here if you need them. I wanted to show you notebook pages, blank notebook pages are here, all right, as well as the notebook pages that we're going to go over today for day 6. So this is your PowerPoint here, okay? Click on the PowerPoint, that'll bring up the PowerPoint for today. And then all the way at the bottom is going to be your Amoeba Sisters video. That video will pop up when today starts, okay? So it's the reproduction of angiosperms. Also, if you click on this page here, this will give you all the pages from the textbook. You should always also have your textbook. So if you go into that textbook page and you read page 150 to 159, that might be another supplemental material for you to kind of understand better what's going on in this chapter, as well as watching those PowerPoints. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, if you have any questions, make sure you comment on this video so I can get right back to you, or just have a parent email me directly so that way we stay in communication. All right, hope you guys have a great day.